Now it is the fifth part for the student for trigonometry class. I will solve the problem, two problem left in the last class, and more 2-3 problem will be solved before you, so you can get a clear cut idea about the elementary part of the trigonometry. First, all formula is still written on the right hand side, and we have taken the pending part 2b and 3, and I have added two more problem 4 and 5. Now I am starting to solve. Prove that tan to the power 4 theta plus tan to the power or tan square theta equal to sec to the power 4 theta, sec 4 to the power 4 theta and sec square theta. Now I am writing the problem number 2, the left hand side, tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta. If we minutely observe, that means in the answer part only sec and sec is the answer, sec to the power 4 theta and sec square theta. So first of all we will try to the tan theta will be converted into sec theta. So first of all we are taking common tan square theta equal to, we are getting tan square theta plus 1. We know 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta equal to 1, because our target is we want to get 1 plus tan square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So this tan can be converted into 1 sec square theta minus 1. Now and 1 is 1 plus tan square, we are converting into sec square theta minus 1. Also I have written here 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. If we multiply, we will get the required answer, the sec 4 theta minus sec square theta, right hand side proved. Once again I am explaining. First you observe the problem. In the problem, tan to the power 4 theta tan square plus tan square theta equal to sec to the power 4 theta and sec square theta. When we are taking the right hand side of the problem, so tan to the power 4 theta plus tan square theta, our required answer in terms of sec. So we are taking common tan square theta, so we are getting tan square theta plus 1. We are converting the tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1, also 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Now we are multiplying sec square plus sec square equal to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta equal to right hand side proved. Now we have done the problem number 2. Now we are coming to problem number 3. Problem number 3. Problem number 3, sin cos square theta plus sin square theta plus tan square theta minus 1 by sin square theta, you have to prove equal to tan square theta, we have to prove it. Acha. First, what we are writing down the right hand side, cos square theta plus tan square theta minus 1 by sin square theta. So how can we proceed? There is a 1 plus this, we are rearranging the problem how we can write tan square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta or upon sin square theta. If you compare the term, the first one and second one, cos square theta minus minus cos square theta, then it is minus 1, so it is rearranged. Now we are writing tan square theta by sin square theta, and we know 1 minus sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. It is also mentioned here. So, it can be written as sin square theta upon sin square theta. This part is to be remembered. The first of all, tan square minus 1 within bracket 1 minus, because net result is same. So, we are getting tan square theta by sin square theta upon minus 1 sin square theta by sin square theta. Now, it is sin square theta by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta equal to 1. That is, we are splitting the basic into terms of basic ratio, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So, tan square theta equal to sin square theta by cos square theta into this. We are cancelling 1 by this equal to this. So, we are getting 1 by cos square theta minus 1. That is 1 by cos square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Then 1 minus sec square theta, 1 plus, it is 1 minus sec square theta minus 1 equal to what? Equal to tan square theta. Right hand side proved. Sorry, it is left hand side, it is right hand side proved. How? We are this 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Therefore, sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. We are taking the help of identity. 3 is over. Now we are doing problem number 4. First, the left hand side of the problem number 4, sin theta into tan theta by 1 minus cos theta. Maximum cases or maximum problem, we should multiply this type of problem with the help of the conjugate pair. So, sin theta into tan theta and conjugate pair equal to 1 plus cos theta. So, we should multiply 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Just we have multiplied the term with the help of 1 plus cos theta. That is, want to get then 1 minus a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Please, I am again writing here a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square equal to 1 square minus cos square theta. And in the numerator part, we are writing again sin theta into sin theta by or tan theta into 1 plus cos theta. We have written this, and now we are splitting sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, sin theta into sin theta by cos theta, because we have written here sin theta by cos theta equal to tan into sin theta and 1 plus cos theta, and this part is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. 1 minus, that is sin theta by cos theta into sin theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So we can write sin theta into sin theta, we are cancelling sin square theta and sin square theta. Sin square theta, our answer is what? 1 plus sec theta, 1 plus sec theta. So we are cancelling, that is equal to sin square theta, sin into sin, and 1 into cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So we are cancelling sin square, we have 1 cos theta into 1 plus cos theta equal to, if we multiply this term, 1 by cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta equal to 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta plus 1, right hand side proved. So we have solved the problem. Then the last one for this class we have to solve. Now once again we are writing the left hand side of the problem number 5. What is problem number 5? Problem number 5 equal to left hand side cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. We are keeping whole square as it is, and we are writing here 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, cos theta upon sin theta. We are getting here cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to, your denominator is sin theta and 1 minus, what is the result? 1 minus cos theta whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square. We are that by sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta, and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to, what is the answer here? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, it is a square minus b square, that is a plus b, that is cos theta, and a minus b, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta. We are cancelling 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta from the numerator and denominator. As a result, our desired answer, we have got 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta equal to, it is right hand side proved. I am concluding the class with expectation you will very soon will again take class within next day or day after tomorrow as early as possible to start the 6th part of this lesson. Okay.